What's going on? This Detroit boat. We about to get into these prank calls. First, we got up comedian Jamon Darnell. We about to prank him with a sexual transmitted disease. Listen up. Enjoy.
This is the Washington, D.C. Medical Center, calling for Jamon Brown. If this is not him, please hang up. If you have had sexual contact with Chiquita Washington, please contact us at 202-000-0000.
DC Medical.
Someone called my phone. Who's this?
DC Medical.
Yeah.
Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, I'm returning the call.
What's your name?
My name's Jamon, Jamon Brown.
Okay, so you need to head into your clinic or your doctor to get tested.
For what?
Do you want me to tell you, or would you like your clinic to tell you?
You can tell me.
Well, sir, it's two things. I think you should go into your local office and get tested.
For what?
Give me 1 second, hold on. It says here gangrene syphilis and genital warts. Sir?
What, syphilis?
Yes, sir. Gangloid.
Gangloid?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Sir?
Yeah.
This Detroit boat, you just got pranked.
Oh, you crazy motherfucker. I'm like, you crazy. I'm like, who the fuck? I called Keita like, what the fuck is up with you, nigga? I'm like, what the fuck is up? Oh, the fuck, you fucking murder her motherfucking ass, nigga. I was about to go to cancer, nigga.
Oh, man. Hey, man. Hey, just tell me who the best, man. You gotta tell me who the best, baby.
Hey, nigga. Hey, look, let me say something, nigga. Can I give you some numbers? Hey, shit, nigga.
Hey,
what, nigga?
Hey, but you gotta tell me who the man, man. You gotta tell me who the man.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you this right now, nigga. Listen, let me tell you something. Beyond the best, nigga. Let me tell you something.